Today, I'll show you how to restore a database in your Bluehost account. If you've accidentally broken something on your site, or you just need to roll back to a previous version of your database, this walkthrough will take you through each step clearly and calmly so you can follow along with confidence. First, you'll need to sign into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. Make sure you log in with the correct hosting account for the website you want to restore. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which is the control center for your hosting, websites, and tools. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, click on the option labeled Websites. This section is where Bluehost lists all the sites connected to your account, and it's the starting point for accessing settings, performance tools, and of course, backups. After you click Websites, you'll see a list of your sites displayed. Find the specific site whose database you want to restore. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the right one, because restoring a database affects the content and data for that particular site. When you found it, look for the Manage button next to that site and click it. This opens the site management area where you can control various aspects of your website. At the top of this site management page, you'll see several tabs that organize different tools and features. Among these tabs, locate and click on the one labeled Backups. This is the dedicated section for managing and restoring previous versions of your website files and databases. Once the Backups tab loads, scroll until you find the section called Database Backups. This area is specifically for restoring your site's database, which includes things like posts, pages, user accounts, and other dynamic content stored in your content management system. It's different from file backups, which cover themes, plugins, and media files, so it's important that you're in the correct section. In the database backup section, you'll see an optional button that says Access Backups and Restore. Go ahead and click that. This will open the backup interface where you can view available database restore points. Typically, Bluehost will show you a list of dates and times when backups were created. From here, you'll choose the backup point you want to use, usually by date. As you do this, remember that restoring a database will revert your site's data back to how it was at that time. Any changes made after that backup, such as new posts or form entries, might be lost, so it's wise to select your restore point carefully. Once you've selected the desired backup, follow the on-screen prompts to start the restore process. The system may take a few minutes to complete depending on the size of your database. While it runs, avoid closing the browser tab. When it finishes, you can visit your website in a new tab and check that everything looks and functions as expected. That's the complete process for restoring a database in Bluehost. Sign into your portal, go to Websites, manage the correct site, open the Backups tab, then use the Database Backups section and the Access Backups and Restore option to complete